Here's a look at your daily market report on this Monday, the 17th day of March. Friday was cattle auction day at the Eastern Missouri Commission Company in Bowling Green. They ended up with more than expected on Friday, 3,073 head. Steers weighing 5 to 800 pounds, and the heifers 4 to 750 pounds were $10 to $20 higher. They held the Border Wars Livestock Auctioneer Contest there at Eastern Missouri Commission Company on Friday. When all was said and done, Jay Romine from the Bluegrass Marketing Group in Lexington, Kentucky went home with the winning belt buckle. Quest Fleshner from F&T Livestock Market in Palmyra, Missouri, came in as the reserve champion. Today on Monday, looking around the auction barns in the state, China Livestock Market expecting about 1,500 head today. They got 8 full loads of yearlings in the offering today. Callaway Livestock Center, they should get to somewhere around 2,000 head today. Joplin Regional Stockyards are expecting 7,500 head. Early in the day there, feeder steers and heifers were called steady. The steers made them in large ones, 4 to 500 pounds, 390 to 465. 5 to 6 weights at 339 to 415, 6 to 7 weights at 307 to 355, 7 to 8 weight steers selling at 278 to 315.50, some 8 to 9 weights at 265 to 282. Feeder heifers 400 to 500 pounds, 335 to $400 even. 5 to 6 weights at 302 to 352, 6 to 7 weights at 271 to 289, a few 7 to 8 weights early in the day, 257 to 269. Box beef cutout values, choice $324.46. That's up $6.19 this morning. Select at $308.07, up $1.75. Volume light with only 37 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds reported. The choice select spread setting at $6.39. As expected, a lot more negotiated feedlot trade took place Friday afternoon after the 2 o'clock cutoff time for that afternoon report on Friday. When all was said and done, 81,521 head of confirmed negotiated sales last week. Live sales, weighted average price, $205.06. That was up $4.87 from the previous week. Dress sales at $324.66. That was up $8.33 from the previous week. Taking a look at the futures markets this morning on the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle for April, 204.05, up 87 cents. June at 199.95, up 60, and August 197.77, up 107. Feeder cattle, March 283.55, up 157. April at 283.22, up 202, and May at 284.42, up 177. Lean hogs for April, 88.20, up $1.57. May at 91.37, up 217. June at 99.12, up 282. Taking a look at the grain markets at midday, May corn's a half-cent lower at 4.58. July unchanged at 4.67.5. September at 4.46. That's up 1.5. The further out contracts are all 1 and 1.5 cent higher as well. Soybeans at midday, May 10.12.5. July at 10.26.5, August at 10.24. Those bean contracts 1.5 to 3.5 lower. Wheat contracts at midday, they're anywhere from 11.5 to 13.5 higher. May's at 569.5, July 586.5, September at 603. Soybean meal for May down $2.20 a ton at 303.70. Soybean oil for May up 30 cents a hundredweight at 41.89. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's your daily market report. This is Tony Hancock.